Hello everybody, today we're going to be checking out this window film here. It's going to be a video on how to install it and then what it looks like. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is to measure your window. So you want to have a tape measure or something similar and go ahead and measure out the area that you're going to be putting the film on. And the instructions recommend to add an inch to that just so you'll have some room to maneuver it. Okay, so after you've measured the window, the size that you're going to need for the film, go ahead and cut the film. And then once you have the film cut, you'll want to make sure you clean your window. Alright, so go ahead, once this window is clean, go ahead and spray some water on it. Next up, you're going to want to peel off the back cover of the film. And then once you have done that, be careful not to let any lint or anything else get onto it. And then go ahead and spray some water on that as well. And so now we're ready to put the film on here. When you put the film on, start at the top, kind of like pressing it down, and then press the rest of it down. Okay, and so here we go. Here you can see, obviously this window has half the film, half of it doesn't. So there's a good way to get a comparison. And here's what the film looks like. Nice and smooth, and as you can see, it's still letting in light. You can still kind of make out shapes past the film, but you can't really tell what it is. And as we'll see on the other side, it's the same over there. But here's the non-film. Obviously crystal clear, easy to see in there, or see outside I should say. Alright, so looking at the window from the outside, as you can see here, getting up close to the window, without the covered part, without the film, you could easily see inside. But with the film, which is what we're looking at here, you cannot see inside at all. We'll look at that again one more time, without the film, with the film. So this film does a great job of keeping your privacy. You'll just of course want to cover the whole window with it.